Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you some beautiful and easy fall DIY projects that I did using Dollar Tree items. So if you want to see how to make some easy and affordable DIY projects, let's move right into the DIY projects. The first DIY project is super simple. So I got some calendars that they carry this year at Dollar Tree. These calendars are so gorgeous. However, the farmhouse or the farm fresh calendar, as well as some that I really wanted to have, I couldn't find any here in Canada, but I was able to get someone to scan and to send me some of the images that I wanted. I'm super thankful that she was able to scan these for me and to send them electronically. She was such a sweetheart, and I'm so thankful for her time. So for this DIY project, it's very simple. All you actually need is some of the calendar prints as well as some picture frames. These picture frames I got from Walmart on clearance. They were $2 each, but I know they have beautiful frames at the Dollar Tree as well. So all you want to do is to find the picture that you like, place the insert, trace it out, and then you want to just cut it and place everything back in. So I'm gonna do the same for 3 of my picture frames, and this picture here I was able to resize it for 5 by 7 inches to fit my frame, but you can also just pick and select the portion of the image that you want to fit into your frame and just place everything inside, and that gives you an easy, affordable way to make seasonal DIY projects for your home. For this last frame, I wanted to do something different, so I have this burlap roll that I also got from the dollar store. I'm just going to cut out a piece that would fit the center of the frame. That way I could just place it inside before I put the backing of this frame. And then I'm just going to find an image and put whatever I feel like putting inside the center here, and then I'm just going to assemble the frame like I did for the first two. In this video, I'm super happy to be participating in the DIY Mommy's Fall DIY and Decor Challenge that she hosts this month, and you don't want to miss out the playlist where everyone else is sharing their fall decors. So you're going to find a link to the playlist on the description down below, so make sure you click that once you've watched my video. So let's move on to the next DIY project. For this next DIY project, I'm going to take 2 of these fall signs that you can find at Dollar Tree. I know they carry a lot of these this year, and I was able to get a few of them. So what I'm going to do is to remove this front burlap art that's on there. So you just want to find an area that is that you're able to lift a little bit, and then you can just pull it off and it's going to come all out. I then took some black acrylic paint, and I'm going to cover the whole frame or whole decor piece using this black acrylic paint, except for the base. I wanted to leave that brown. So here I'm just going to be careful not to mess the stand underneath, and just put 2 coats of this black paint and let everything dry. Because I wanted these DIY projects to be very affordable and quick, I wanted to do this decor piece right here, this DIY project, using just items that are available at Dollar Tree and not use my Cricut machine for the wording. So here I'm just going to use a ruler just to find the spot that I want, and then I'm just going to write some fall themed words in with my pencil, and then I'm going to go ahead and write with this marker that I got from Dollar Tree in white ink. Then to give some more dimension, some more texture to my decor piece, I went ahead and took some floral stems that I got from Dollar Tree in their fall collection, and then I just pulled out a little bit of the flowers there, and I'm gonna hot glue them to the base. I'm also adding some jute twine, some leaves, as well as the little raffia bow. For the second pumpkin, I decided to write some more words using a pencil as well as that white ink marker that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm also gonna place some wooden letters that I got from the dollar store, as well as some more jute and the raffia bow that came originally with this pumpkin. While I was making these projects for you all, I wanted to make sure to keep it very simple and to use very little amount of items, mainly from the dollar store or the Dollar Tree. I just wanted to show people that it does not necessarily take a lot of skills to be a crafter and to make beautiful pieces for your home. You don't necessarily need to break the bank. You can find inexpensive items and you can transform it to fit your own decor. And that was the little message that I wanted to pass along to everyone while I was creating this video for all of you.
If you're joining my channel for the first time, welcome over to the DIY Residence. I hope you become a part of the DIY Residence family by clicking the subscribe button as well as the bell notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video.
For the last DIY project, I'm going to use two of these Valentine's Day signs that I got from Dollar Tree last year. Now, if you don't have this exact same board in your craft collection, you can definitely use other seasonal boards that they have and they carry every season at the Dollar Tree. Here, I'm just going to remove all of everything that's attached to this frame, and then I'm going to use a sanding paper just to sand away all of the glitter that's on the top.
If you are enjoying the DIY project so far, please leave my video a thumbs up. It only takes a few seconds to do so, but it really greatly helps my channel by letting YouTube know that you're appreciating the contents that I'm sharing on my YouTube channel. So please support my channel by clicking the like button.
I'm then going to use the same black acrylic paint and paint both of these boards with 2 coats of black paint, and I'm going to let everything dry before I proceed to the next steps. After the paint had the chance to dry, I took some contact paper from the dollar store that has this wood grain look to it. The one that I got was from the Dollarama here in Canada. I really love this print that they have. It really looks like wood planks. So I always, whenever I go to the dollar store, I end up buying a few of these to keep in hand for DIY projects. So here I'm just gonna cut a piece for the top and the bottom, and then I'm gonna glue it or just stick it onto the board to give it that wood look. So I'm gonna do that for the top as well as the bottom. For the center part of this board, I went ahead and I printed some words using my Cricut machine just because I wanted to get that look for this project that I was going for. However, if you wanted to keep this inexpensive and only use items from the Dollar Tree, or if you don't have a cutting machine, you can definitely do this using the stickers that they have at Dollar Tree, or you can simply use a marker and just write your own word. I then took some of the leftover florals from the same stem that I used before, and using some hot glue, I'm just going to glue some flowers to the top just to give it some more dimension and some more feel of fall. So I'm going to put that on top, and I'll be adding some leaves as well as a little pumpkin from Dollar Tree just to give some texture to my frame. I'm going to do the exact same procedure and repeat the steps for the second board. So everyone, this is how the DIY projects turn out. I think they look super beautiful. I'll be sharing many more fall decor as well as my Decorate With Me fall session. So you don't want to miss those out. Please hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care and stay safe, everyone. Bye-bye.